Why does my openpyxl WorkBook.active give me a type error? Object is not callable. I am trying out openpyxl for the first time. I have an Excel file with 2 columns of data. Column A has id numbers, while column C has values. I am simply trying to extract them as a plain key/value object. These are the pseudo steps I figure I need to implement. Find the file by location and create a workbook object. Define a worksheet object. In my case, this is the default first page. Iterate through the rows, as long as there are key values in column A. Add key and value from A and C into an object. The problem is that I can't get past step 2, creating a worksheet. The line ws equals wb.active seems like a completely standardized way of getting the default worksheet. I see it used in a lot of examples, and as of writing this, there are 93 questions on so using the line. But in my case, it throws an error. I am quite new to Python, but I've run into similar errors before. I know that it is thrown, for instance, if I import a Python module name instead of the relevant class name. What exactly is happening here? Why is this seemingly standard method of retrieving a worksheet object trying to instantiate a module instead of a class? Am I using it wrong? Just to make this really weird, I present you with this. I wanted to reproduce my error in the simplest possible way, so I found the shortest example I could, and copied it into my workspace. With the exception of the file path, this is completely identical to Ryu_Hayabusa's answer to this question, parsing Excel documents with Python. Now get this, it works, without any errors. Of course, I suspected that the bold text in the line WB equals load underscore workbook file name equals file underscore URL, use underscore iterators equals true was the problem, but no. Removing the bold marked text to make it identical to the working example still produced an error. The only difference is that now it says worksheet instead of read-only worksheet. What in the big wide world is going on here?
In openpyxl, WB.active is provided by the library as a property giving you the currently active worksheet. As such, you do not need to add to call it as a function. Your cut-down example does it correctly.
如果注寂寞，第3式要subscribe。